What I wish I knew before splurging $1,700 on a gaming rig. Let's break it down. First up, the brain of our beast, Ryzen 7 7800X3D. This is hands down the best gaming CPU out there. It can run anything you throw at it, no sweat. Next, the GPU, Radeon 7900 GRE. Say goodbye to lag and hello to stunning graphics. This baby's got your back, whether you're exploring new worlds or dominating the battlefield. For storage, we're rolling with the Samsung 990 Pro 2TB SSD. Load times? What load times? Blink and you're in the game. And to power it all, we've got the Segotep 750W power supply. 80+ gold, fully modular, and reliable to keep your system running smooth. Want this build for yourself? Check the links in the description. Hit like and subscribe for more epic builds and tips.